I want to talk about this ash bucket from Smedley in York. I ordered this to use in my basement with my wood stove. First of all, what do you get? You get the lid right there. You get a brush, which is really handy for cleaning up. Uh, Shovel to get everything out of the wood stove or chimney. And last is the main bucket right here. This is 2 pounds, so you're going to be able to store a lot of ash in here. And using it the first time, it's a piece of cake. The shovel is great. You can get a lot of ash out of the wood stove with each scoop. Now, a couple of my favorite features that drew me to this. One, the look. It's got a really nice rustic look. The capacity, like I said earlier, 2 gallons, so you can store a good amount of product in here. And you get the brush that comes with it as well, because no matter how careful you are about cleaning up around your wood stove or chimney, there's always a little bit of dust or ash that will kind of banty about the area. And the biggest reason that it comes with a lid. And if you know, like I said, keeping things clean around the wood stove can be a challenge. Being able to put the ash in there and put the lid on is going to help a lot as far as keeping the entire area clean. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, please click on the link in the description below.